How to fix Telegram voice message not playing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you if the Telegram voice message aren't playing, and you could follow these steps. First of all, you could go with the basic check. So what you need to do is open the Telegram application, and you want to locate where the voice message actually is. And when you have the voice message, you could just long press on it or just click on it and hold on to your side button so that you could increase the volume. Sometimes it could be due to this options, or you might have enabled silent mode, so you might have to actually enable or disable that options. And if the issue still persists on, you could also try restarting Telegram. So close the Telegram application completely. At the same time, what you could also do is locate Telegram, long press onto it, go to the app info section, and here you simply want to make sure to go to storage and cache. So click on clear cache and make sure to close it up. And now then you could restart the device at the same time and try launching Telegram and see whether the issue has been solved or not. In many cases, you could also check for the permissions. Sometimes it could be due to the disable function of the permissions. So long press once again, go to the app info section, come to permissions, and make sure to enable all these options. That might be able to solve your issue. So these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.